Here we are.
I still can't believe my dad let us even touch his new car.
Oh, yeah?
I think it came with the car. Hey. Wait!
The Trunk Monkey Chaperone version. An innovative idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group.
What? Come on in here, I'll give you a drive. I didn't know. You want a piece of me? Why don't you come out and get you some, huh? Where are you gonna go now? Well, you can't speed up by anybody now. You think you're better than me?
At Suburban, you'll find revolutionary ideas that other dealerships just don't offer. Suburban Auto Group on Highway 26 in Sandy. Trunk Monkey pending approval by Attorney General.
All right, back in the trunk.
The Trunk Monkey Theft Retrieval System. Because sometimes getting your car back is simply not enough. Another revolutionary idea you'll only find at Suburban Auto Group, pending approval by Department of Agriculture.